Friday morning, taking out the trash. I got the white Christmas that I wanted, but now it's all like melting and it's been foggy. We've had like no solar production this whole winter. So my 3D printer got a little bit clogged, and so I thought, oh, well, while I'm cleaning the clog, let me replace it with the new all metal hot end. I've got it open, and these fan cords are like ripping the thing off because they're glued, and I can't get the glue off, and I'm sure I'm gonna break this thing, and I'm so frustrated right now. Bad job, Ankermake. I cannot wait to get a bamboo instead of having this. I got the stupid heatsink off, but I don't know how to get this thing off. Are those screw holes? I can't even tell. Frustration. Holy moly, I think I did it. Old heatsink, old hot end, new fancy. Let's see if we can get it back together now. All right, every screw is back in. I found this giant piece of gray plastic, clearly a clog. Feeling pretty good here. Turn it on. Dun, dun, dun. Now we see if anything works and if anything comes out. That will be the real test. Might as well run a firmware update and recalibrate because changing two variables never burned anybody. Feeling super frustrated? Apparently this is a Bowden tube and you need that. And mine doesn't have it. So we're gonna have to redo the whole process. Ah! I'm gonna keep on dancing out in West Hollywood. West Hollywood. Apparently the all metal hot end doesn't need a Bowen tube because it's got a metal bit instead of this junk. So now we're going to try it before we put the cover back on. So don't touch this, danger, danger. We have filament, we have no clog. All right, let's see if we can actually print something. Actually, we gotta reconnect everything. Ah. I reset the Z offset after leveling, and I mean, it's looking okay. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. I'm trying to be productive here. Got 5 more vlogs to edit. 2 thumbs up so far for the new hot end. Print's looking pretty good, although...
No, why not? When did it expire? Oh, yeah. You said...
Where's the quality screen for the screen? There it goes. Can you say thank you, Granddad and Nana?
Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Granddad and Nanny.